Okay, good evening to everybody. Now let us discuss about the success of Bohr's theory for hydrogen atom. Success of Bohr's theory for hydrogen atom. First success is Bohr's theory explain the hydrogen spectrum and spectra of ions having one electron. That means Bohr's theory successfully explained the spectrum of hydrogen atom and species having one electron species. That means it explains the spectrum of helium plus and lithium 2 plus and barium 3 plus and beryllium 3 plus. Beryllium 3 plus. It successfully explained the one electron species. That means that species are called isoelectronic species. Therefore, Bohr's theory explains the hydrogen spectrum and spectra of ions having one electron. That means that is helium plus, lithium 2 plus, beryllium 3 plus, also having only one electron. Second success is it gives the expression to calculate the radius of the stationary orbits by using the formula by using the formula. That formula is represented by Rn is equal to 0.529 into n square by z angstrom units. That means Bohr's theory give the expression to calculate the radius of the nth orbit in hydrogen atom. That formula is radius Rn, R suffix n is equal to 0.529 into n square by z. It is expressed in angstrom units, where n represents the orbit number, and z represents the atomic number. Since for hydrogen atom atomic number is z is equal to 1, therefore radius of the first radius of the first orbit for hydrogen atom, that is equal to r is equal to 0.529 into n square angstrom units. Bohr's theory also give the expression. That means total energy of an electron in Bohr's orbit can be calculated by using the formula total energy is equal to En is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volts, where z represents the atomic number and n represents the number of the orbit. In electron volts, total energy of electron in Bohr orbit, that is equal to En is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volts. This formula is expressed in several units. Energy of electron in Bohr orbit En is equal to minus 2.178 into 10 to the power minus 18 z square by n square joules per atom, that is equal to 1312 into z square by n square kilojoules per mole, and electron volts per atom, that is represented by energy En is equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volts per atom. Change in the energy difference delta E is equal to minus 2.178 into 10 to the power minus 18 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square joules per atom. Bohr's atomic model, Bohr's theory also give the formula to calculate the velocity of an electron. That formula, velocity of an electron, that is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 6 z by n meter per second, where z represents the atomic number and n represents the orbit number. it is changes to in centimeters, it is expressed in centimeters, so the formula changes to Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 6 into Z by N. Bohr's theory, principal quantum number was introduced by Niels Bohr. That means principal quantum number was represented by letter N. It gives the size and energy of the orbit. Principal quantum number values starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, etc. integers. Principal quantum number was introduced by Niels Bohr. These are the success of Bohr's theory for hydrogen atom.